Hi, I'm Aiman. Welcome back to my garden videos. The focus of today's video will be this right here. This is Kangkong, also known as Chinese spinach. Now I've done videos on Kangkong in the past before, and you should check them out. But today we're going to be doing a sort of similar videos to what I've already been doing before, which is basically these progressive videos about how to plant Kangkong and what the planting process looks like, or the growing process. And I've done videos about this on similar plants like Kangkong or lemongrass over there, but today's focus is just Kangkong. There are two ways to plant Kangkong. You can either plant them from seeds, which is what my mom has done actually right here. And as you can see, they're already starting to sprout. The second way is similar to what we've done here with the Kangkong. What we do is we take clippings of the Kangkong, and then first we can either put them in water, let it grow a bit, and then plant them when the time is right. Or you can just take the clipping and then just straight up plant it. But either way, just use clippings to grow the Kangkong. And actually, that's what we're going to do the next. A few weeks in, here's our Kangkong. All of it grown straight from seeds. Now, this process took a bit longer than you would have if you grown it from stalks that you get from Oriental stores. But it's good to know, especially if you plant Kangkong in a place where you can't easily get Kangkong stalks. So what you can actually do is, after you use this for cooking, you could be like Kung Tua and then, be like the Chinese emperor and slurp it up and everything. What you can do is you can actually go to the stalks, you can pinch them off. I'm going to pinch right here. Now what you can do is you can actually just plant them right here, straight into the ground. Just like that. And then it's gonna grow. And like I said before, it's gonna go faster than if you grew it from the seeds. Alright, so it looks like this is where I can close the video. So we have been talking about Kangkong a lot on my channel. It's a very huge favorite of mine, and I guess it's a very huge favorite of Asian people, especially alongside this Kangkong that's right next to it. It's a favorite of mine, not just for its taste, but also for its story. And you should also go check out that video on the story of Kangkong, which is definitely worth a watch. But for now, I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the gardening videos. We're probably going to do more videos in the future on Kangkong and Kangkong as well, so go check that out. Maybe we'll do a video on different methods of planting it. Maybe Kangkong in the water. But check that out. And also check out some other videos that we've been doing on different plants like cucumbers, peppers, long beans, you name it. We're starting to do a lot of videos on individual plants and vegetables, because I think people like these little segments a lot more than some full-blown gardening tours. But also, go check out those gardening tours, and I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman, and signing out. Peace. Let's go, Bella.